जो लोग हैं, जो पीड़ित हैं, उनके साथ मुलाकात कर रहे हैं।
Now, viewers, our focus is back on tracking the top stories ahead of the US Vice President J.D. Vance's visit to India for the first time. The United States has told the World Trade Organization, the WTO, that its decision to impose tariffs on steel and aluminium imports was taken on national security grounds and not as a safeguard measures. Well, we have right now the official response as far as the US government is concerned on the tariff war that has escalated into a new challenge for the geopolitical economies. This is the key distinction that the challenges India's formal complaint filed earlier this month. India had requested consultations with the US under the WTO's safeguard agreement. Now, the US says that the tariffs on steel and aluminium imports were imposed under the Section 232 of the US trade law, which authorizes the US president to restrict the imports that have threatened to impair the national security. Sharat Kohli, senior economist, joins me live on the broadcast. Sir, appreciate you joining me live and very good morning. How, in fact, do you understand the context of the statement that has been made by the United States, specifically to World Trade Organization, when it comes to giving a formal response to the tariffs that have been imposed on steel and aluminium? What does it mean for the US-India ties going ahead?
Well, I think as far as the aluminium and steel are concerned, Section 230 in the US, which gives powers, if there is a national security issue, it can disregard WTO guidelines. What's happened over the last few weeks. The rules of and the guidelines of WTA have anyway been ineffective. US also feels that WTO sometimes makes an overreach. It also feels that WTO, is so no relevance here. I mean, it has been completely disregarded.
All right, viewers. On that note, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track all the developments very closely. Please stay with us.
अगर आप बनना चाहते हैं